Should be live, check it out. Market trying to bounce, man. Okay, I can't take a chance. Ticks are turning. I'm out $5, 30-cent loss. Because look at the ticks, 1000 positive. I mean 23 entering into positive. I want this to be broke, resistance rejected. Then yes, I can enter back. Until then, man, this is not good. Yeah, look at that, trying to break through. Let's see power coming in. Seriously, I want to go north. Look at that MACDs keep constantly going. Let's see. Critical zone, previous day low is resistance. Too much over trading. $0.40. Rejection. Yeah, market has a rejection coming in. I think we're gonna go and test this some point of time. That's what it looks to me. You have 38 cents. 45 cents. Still at the price of $0.40. MACD bullish, EMA bearish. Oh boy, 45 cents. I mean, on a 3800 call. Still, we are at the critical zone right here. Nothing going to move. I feel like the volume, I like it, and not much action. Ticks trying to be man, come on, let's do this time, man. I look like I have a faith on this. Yep, we're gonna print these big time today. Yep. Come on. No, rejection. End phase is waterfall, right, today? Yep, absolutely, man. Where did the end phase go? Constant going, look at that, still. There's a balloon, but that was a nice balloon on that end phase today, so they're taking a toll on end phase. Both the line meeting same zone right there. Cloud, sloping resistance and horizontal resistance all are meeting at the same right here. Let's see what it does, this one. They're gonna compress out here, maybe rejection here. Tops intraday, sure. Shipping companies, kind of be careful, guys. Shipping companies. So, wow, what happened to the top shipping company? Earning was horrible. Company was oversold right here. $30 stock went down to $5, $6. Okay, and split 1:20. Oh, okay. Reverse split. That's why. Wow, undervalue. The company was making money, man. Okay, cloud is be breaking. We have resistance. Be careful on a long side right here. Your resistance is right there. That's for rejection on daily. So that your rejection at here. So that's your high today. That's it. Then tomorrow different story, but this is your high today. And market sell off, that's why. So what you do is, as long as this trend line is built in, no volume much. If this trend line is intact, is bullish. If that trend line breaks and we take the support which is coming all the way from here, if this break we bearish. If this higher high, higher low, higher high, like that. So something like that, you can keep it in mind. Right now it's bullish, we're bouncing here, you follow. So we could go like this and see what it does, tops. Okay, this is right here is your price. Right now looking bullish temper or trend line breaks. Always do that. We're gonna compress here and then we could go down 45 cents. If this breaks, come on. Weakness coming in. I prefer to be in a low short side, man. I'm out 40 cent, 5 cent loss. Because look at here. Ticks are turning over this turning price of control line is here. If it bounce, then we can enter back. And look at the giving up. All stock is giving up. Look at Meta, keep going down. See that? Everything is giving up. So being a bullish is not a good idea to right now. This is this. Yep, that is bearish now. And that's the price of control area too, right there. That would bounce. Let's see. Weakness. That breaks price of control line 450. I mean 460, 3700 a put. Double top right here. If this MACD crosses, we're gonna could go down, but man, Tesla still going down, constant. Look at the price target reach on Tesla. Tesla is like 234 now, broke the price target. Look at that, constant grinding. Look at that.
It broke the support, right?
Yeah, it broke the support, and baby wants to roll. So market is weakness. So how far next support? Oh wow, there's a gap out here, man. Huge gap on that. Oh, this is SPY, sorry. Tesla has daily chart to look, man. 30 minutes not gonna help here. Look at that, we are here. Oh yeah, there is nothing out here. Tesla could go. That's the, hold on, let me adjust the line probably. Come on, this is too far. 1 second, okay. Let me adjust the line to be precise. Yeah, we are right there at 235, guys. 235 is the 234, 35 right area. Sorry, no, not right here. You see this right here. So this line, if we break to 234, if we break, that's the support. Okay, this is the coming out support all the way from this, man. This is a major trend line, guys. Major trend line right now we are testing. I don't think so it's gonna break that. It could be very careful here. Once we break that, we could go to 207. But that is a major line, man, coming out all the way from here, pre-pandemic, guys. Now he's gonna break, but maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, maybe not. No, he can bounce. But my M pattern finished today, which I draw, you remember a few days ago, right? And the SPY tried to bounce. Price of control line is right there. These people are, man, just playing ping pong around here. MACD pointing south. That's the critical support zone. Okay, this is very critical support. I would take the money and run at that time. More greediness is not a good idea. Oh boy, look at the price of control line broke through the things, and we're gonna test the upward. Okay. Look at the Netflix today is like a waterfall. Netflix and Face, big waterfall. Netflix. Price of control line breaking upwards. Can stay in the trade. Out. $390. Man. I'll be right back, guys. I think this is the market wants to go north from here. Once we break this, W double top. Look at that. You see this slowly MACD creating double top. So this is bullish from here to here, because look at the MACD also. But we need to break this. Until then, it's just gonna wash out premium. Be back.
Hey Josh, can you check the alerts?
I'm back. That resistance is building up. We need to break that to be bullish. Clouds are solid, strong out here. So market, the previous day low we are trading right now here. So this is the critical area. Once the MACD entered into bull, then it's a different story. Over here we tried, we got rejection, and we've sent back. Same thing we are trying now again. Let's see what it brings. This is the critical zone. So this is the battle zone now. Same $3,800 calls are right now 40 cents, 35 cents. They don't move unless they need a big move, then only they move. Because that delta is low, way out of the money. You need a big move right here. When they break this here, let's see what it does now. See that critical zone? Oh yeah, easy. Want to go north? Look at the MACD pointing north. So this short-term bullish right now. Short-term bullish. We could go here and break this. Okay, 40 cents. I mean 40 cents. 3,800 call. Way out of the money. I know it's a resistance right here. Big resistance. We might pull back. I like what I see here, MACD. But still, look at that here. Look at the resist. We are entering the big fat cloud right there. I think this is a critical area. Oh wow, look at that. They have a rejection here. Look at that. You see that rejection? Rejection. Because still we have all these blue line, purple line behind. maybe compression out here some point of time until here, about 20 minutes I would say, if you really want to go north. If not, then forget about it. Rejection price of control line is right there. This is your channel. Weakness in the market. You see the market is trying to create the wedge. Somewhere here. I'm gonna sit down. Tesla bounced from the support right here, 334, guys. Remember what I said about 334 Tesla? Right here. Look at the daily chart. See this support coming all the way from here. 2020. And look at that. You have just bounced from support area. So this is M pattern finish. This is the where critical support. I think market could spend few days here. You know, it's not that easy to break unless some disaster news. But this support is critical support, very good support, strong support. Look at that. Several times we bounce. 1, 2, 3, right? Every time we bouncing. it could do the same thing here also. Market got a weakness. So this is your channel right here. Market is created so far. You see this is your channel right here, market trading, and here this is how they're gonna spend about 2 hours. First I was thinking maybe they're gonna spend out here, but they broke their channel. Then they created this channel downward here. Something will happen some point of time, when we don't know. We're gonna just keep eyes on it. Ping pong, like that. I do not see another 1 hour any bullishness, because lagging span line is way down here, cloud is way up here. We need to break this thing, then only this resistance. $0.40 trying to MACD entering into bull territory. Ride the wave. Oh, okay. $0.40. Excuse me. I think market gonna spend time out here. Let's see, we have resistance here. This resistance to watch. This one. $0.45 now. Trying to exit at 45 cents. Out at 40. No good, nothing, man. Just let the market compress out here. We need a momentum. Once we're in the channel, no momentum. I know wants to go north. Let's break this. Gonna have rejection. See this? They're gonna try this resistance. Gonna have rejection, and then we're gonna have break the cloud, and we're gonna go. So that legging span line will come here, and we're gonna cross. So probably another 15-20 minutes, I would say. Until then, we're just gonna be. So this is out of the picture now, and this is still in the picture. Okay, I think we are finding the momentum a little bit out here. Probably we will be able to break through this. Netflix dumped today, crazy, right? Yeah, man, Netflix, look at that, Netflix. Everything, but look at Enphase, is still going Enphase. Man. I did not expect this much. Look at that flash, man. 285 to 250. They fill the gap. We were here. Remember, we were shorting. $9 went down, guys. Enphase. After that also, we focus in a wrong spot, man. I tell you that. We were here, right? Around here. So 260. Wow. The $6 call went to $11 now. Put. Now the balloon bust. That's it. This baby gonna roll. Balloon has been busted on Enphase. Baby gonna go down. Remember I said we need to break this. Once we break this, baby gonna go. Look at the shootout, man. Look at that game. Until then, look at that. That's why you need to pick the good cycle. I know the weakness started here when they were going here at the top. If you short from 3 months from here, because this weakness to this weakness and price was going up, and from here 3 month short, 3 month option, imagine what would you print, right? Exactly. And that's what I was saying earlier, that hey, something like this you need to find a, man, interesting right here. Printing money, what would have been, right? Crazy. Market just gives you all the opportunity. Oh wow, spike. Oh wow, trying to break the cloud. Okay, I'm gonna exit already. Okay. Still we are not, we did not cross. We have the VWAP up there right here, 372.81 VWAP. That's your register. Spy call exploded, yeah. We have VWAP right there. We will have rejection. 45 cents. 35 cents trying to load. 3800 go. I mean, okay, let's see. This is 3800 strike on SPX call. This is a strong support, I feel like, because we are above the cloud. Only thing is lagging span line. Once we bounce, this could be a good one. Like them, maybe a little compression right here, little bit, and then probably will shoot. This is a good setup for buying from the bottom. Anytime I want to buy from the bottom, this is a good setup. I like this setup. So that's why I entered here, looking good.
Hey Josh, I think VWAP is like a little above that.
Yeah, I saw that right there. Yeah, but should be fine. They're gonna battle it out. There might be a little pullback. I'm not saying could be a pullback, but VWAP is not like a big agenda behind. So there will be battle. I'm not saying no, definitely. Right here. Right here. Once the VWAP crosses the green light, which is right here, your VWAP is at here. Right there, you see that? That's your VWAP. Let's look at the flow. Tesla 36 million bearish flow. These are the alerts so far. Here is the VWAP. $5 cents, 10 cents. All the EML lines up. Let's see what the battle happens over there. Sorry. Man, let's break through the VWAP today. How many likes we have, man? We have 17 likes today. It's three times we got rejected. Yep, VWAP right there. Rejection. Man, I wanted to exit. I could not exit. I was tweeting, man, and thereby trying to tweet something. Okay. I just tweet about the flow. Apple reportedly in talks to make AirPod and Beats headphone in India. So they are basically iPhone 14 and now AirPods moving to India. The problem with the India and China, difference between India and China is a huge difference because India is a democratic country where if you can't have a low wages or something, you suppress people and stuff like that. In China, you can just you can smack them down and you can get the job done. Say, hey, shut your mouth. That's how China works. In India, it doesn't work like that. It's a democratic country. So if any, there's a labor unions and there's a lot more issues they have to go through if any strikes happen, stuff like that, because India is not like China. China government controls. In India, government cannot control people. It's a free to fly. So it's very hard to control people out there. So for Apple to succeed in India, kind of little difficult compared to China. That's how I see. Being Indian, I just telling you what I see. Doesn't mean it's gonna be immediately impacted or anything, but they'll be spending more money in India to get the job done compared to China. But company can control that employee. Labor union, man, labor union, yes, absolutely. Company can do little bit, but there are when something get exploded, you know what I mean. You cannot suppress like big time. In China, I know that, man, you can just give them the food and and they cannot raise the voice like that if the government is involved in that company. That's how things are. They can control pay, they can control a lot of things. It's given or take, two side of the coins. What happened to Twitter? Controlling the price, $50. Look at that. Cup and handle. Today we're gonna print. This is George, you crazy. Yeah, right there. This is your cup. Mr. Nova, do you see something what I see? Hopefully this plays.
Up and handle. Waiting for it to break, though, to get in.
Yep, you're right, mate. I'm already heavily loaded, man, I'm telling you, but hopefully it gonna play. 35 cents, now is 40 cents. It's not moving because of the delta is too far, but it will probably print. There you go, cup and hand breakout. Look at that breakout, guys. Look at that breakout. Not yet. Too early celebration, right? We have to break is not that easy. Okay. Here we go, candle close above the VWAP. Here we go, the ticks are ticking, wicks are popping, and look at that, baby wants to rock and roll. Legging span line cross the cloud. You see that? Legging span line cross the cloud, and now We are in, man. Give me 50 cents, man. Here we go. Please, let's go. And if this works out, really going to be great. Been patiently waiting. Okay. Give me 50 cents. I want to exit. Here we go. 10 cents spread difference, man. These people are not too. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Yep. It's gone. Man, wanted to get exit. I could not execute it. I put a 50 cents, did not go through. Okay, let's see now. Let's go. Let's go.
Mr. Josh, it feels like a scalper's market today. Like get in, get out quick.
Absolutely. Man, I tried today, nothing worked. I'll tell you, I'm in a loss right now. That I can tell you. But I had a I had a quick loss. So small loss piled up. Five different loss piles up, little, right? So I'm trying to cover. If I can get it, if I get my price right now, I'll be great. That's why I want to exit right now, and then I'll tell you. Give me 50 cents and I'll tell you my story. I want to. I knew they're gonna do these all dirty games. Price of control line. Man, target is all the way. Your small target is right here. That's the target. And then the next target. MACD looking weak. Look at that, man. Could not exit. $10.16. SPY flow. Price target on Tesla, we touched down the price target today. 234, right? 234 we touched. That's the major support I mentioned. Look, Tesla, I said get out of it. I've announced right here. Look at the daily chart. Major coming out all the way from here. You see that? 2020 support, sloping support. Look at that support, sloping support. 1, 2, 3 times we bounce. 4 times we touched today. And I said I would exit right here. This is the target right here. You see the price, and that's where we exit. This is a beautiful, look at this. I said about this takes about a 1 month to 2 month cycle. We finish in 7 days or maybe 10 days. Look at that. Touchdown M pattern. When we were here, I draw this M pattern. I said, hey, we're gonna go do this. Look at that now. Every time, so my market might consolidate if any bad news, super duper, because this is strong support, triple strong support. So if this breaks, is very bad for the Tesla, and normally market always test, bounce, and then breaks normally. So just keep it in that thing in mind. It's not that easy to break, guys. It's a strong support. Just imagine, can you break your regular floor? This is not a regular one. That's why. So keep that thing in mind. Yep, John, that's the critical support. Oh yes, I do. Let's click the like button. Absolutely, let's do that. Let's ring it. 29 likes we got so far. We got kicked out 3 times, guys. Sorry about that. YouTube, we got 2 times we got disconnected. Bull flag, SPY. Do you see something what I see, Mr. Nova?
I see the flag, but I feel like it's having trouble breaking that 373.5.
I got you, man. We need a propeller engine behind and see if you can break it.
I feel like all the moves up today just lack the that strong volume push.
Momentum is not there. Yeah. Look at the MACD, man, not supporting, not helping. You see this MACD?
Mr. Josh, if it does break this flag, where do you see the next resistance for?
Right there, right here. No resistance here, all the way up here. They know what we see. That's the reason they don't want to go there right now. They will get there whenever they want to get there. Right? Yeah, man, that game will be played. Josh, what do you think about the GBP? GBP is right now they started printer on Great Britain pound USD. GBP will be in a big trouble if you ask me long run. They would be in a big trouble. You watch my word, what I just said. Whenever you look, whenever country start printing, giving out free money to the people, right? That means that's, if that is the case, then why not America can just start printing and just giving out everybody money and say, hey, stay home, you don't need to go to work, right? That is the problem, right? That's what right now UK said, okay guys, here's the money, take this money, pay your bills, take this money, pay your don't pay taxes, tax break, these, right? To help the corporate, to help everybody. But I understand they have a utility problem, that problem we have, we understand that part. But at the end, the free money, and when they have to turn on the printer is not good, right? They're diluting their currency. When you dilute it, is not good overall. So they are trying to sell the dollars to bring their currency up. That's what they did. How long last? 5 days, 6 days, right? So just give a little time, you will see they will, the same thing. They are trying to follow the Japan path, just like Japan, at least Japan is not raising the, UK is not, they said they're gonna raise the rate or not. They're supposed to raise the rate. And now they said they're not gonna do that. Then is a problem. If you don't raise the rate, what would happen? Their currency is in a trouble just to save all these maybe a BlackRock and other company who had a margin call. They were holding the gilts just like a US Treasury gilts, just like US Treasury. They were holding that. So to help them out, to buy that, they have no choice but to print. When you print, it's not good. It's called quantitative easing. When you do quantitative easing, is temporary good, long run not good. Oh, we broke the VWAP and MACD pointing bearish, right? That's what. See the trend line, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That's what they want to do. That's the VWAP. Market is trying to flush all the bulls. Weakness coming in. Look at the apple. Man, I had a 40% profit on my things. Couldn't book it. Couldn't exit because of the 10 cents, 5 cents spread difference. I could not execute. What's up, Brandon?
Oh, just saying hi. How you doing, man?
All right, hang in there, man.
Yeah, I had a small little loss on Tesla this morning because I took some calls, but then did okay on some SPY calls. What do you think the direction is, man, today? You think we kind of just play around in this area or what?
Direction, okay. I feel, yeah, So last 2 days we've been bullish, right, market. So all the bulls will be trapped here. So I do not think they're gonna go and take the yesterday's high. They want to stay on the side. So all the bulls get lost their premium. And that's what I can see today. They will be on a sideways today, and then tomorrow they can take it up Thursday, and then bring it down on Friday, something like that.
I saw there was like a $6 million on Dark Pool, $6 million spy call for November for 390. That was kind of interesting.
Oh yeah. Right now we bottom out. Remember, the oscillator is bottom out, so it is bullish or long run for maybe month, 2 months until. So this is what my thesis was. I was laying out as last time. So what happening is, look, market was. Let me close the cloud so people can see very carefully. So if you see this, we were 480, we went down. This is all quarterly, okay? This is quarterly cycles pretty much. Then from 480 we went down to lower 480, 460. Then we went down. Then we went up. We created another high, 430. So 480, 460, 430. Over here I see around 4 right here. This is my target. So what happened is, this is what would happen, market. This is what I think. We're gonna go like this. Something probably, I don't know, maybe. Let me see very closely. Let me get rid of this VWAP. So market will play. This would be the one like this, something like this, or maybe, and then this window.
Spy getting ready, Josh.
Huh?
Spy's getting ready.
You see, no, I'm just trying to show you the cycle. So you see this. So we are creating these low. You see this, and then this earning will be coming in on all these 2-3 months, right? And there somewhere we'll give up. So we will have a this is.
I mean, on the 1 minute right now, it's looking a little bullish.
Yeah, I see that. Thanks. But look at the cycle. So these are all few month cycles working in. This could be a bullish, but we can't. I did remember over here. Look what happened here. This bear. Look at the MACD bear, and then we bounce, right? We bounce, but how far we bounce? Little bit, and then we went down. So what happened here? The same thing can happen too. We go bull. Same thing. We go bull, and we can give up right here and then go down one more low because of this earning coming in soon. So maybe another 2 weeks, election coming in, something like that.
Yeah, that
right?
makes sense.
So, and then by the time election get over, and then this probably they're gonna go a little higher until the election. 1 month, 31 days, 32 days left. So 32 days they're gonna play around here. That's what I see. And then the game will change after election.
Hey, if we can get volume on this spy, I see this going to 374.01. What do you think?
Okay, right here that okay, 374.37.
Yep, that's why you're the master, Josh. Josh, I see people hitting those 371 calls. Those things are moving if we can get volume.
Oh, absolutely, man. That's why normally I don't stay in the trade unless I feel something. But I'm in the trade right now.
Last question. You know that little cloud on your graph right now? Is that the which indicator is that?
Ichimoku.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because I use a different platform, so I'm trying to see how to add that.
Man, MACD not looking good, Mr. Nova.
Well, good thing I learned not to front run with your classes, right?
Yeah. Let's see if this the MACD not looking good, man. MACD not working out good.
Before I took your classes, I probably would have bought in like 2 candles ago.
Gotcha. Thank you. Look, I enter here at 35 cents somewhere here, right? 35 cents right here, right? I remember that. 35 cents, I bought it here. Now, back to reality. 35 cents. Still, even the price is up, but I'm losing money because of theta decay. Not losing break even. I had a 40% profit here. I could not book. I mean, try to book it, but could not. Right here, 40% profit. Now break even. Okay, Josh, if you have a moment, can you please explain how you use the cloud? Cloud is look at this. You see the sloping resistance, so cloud is just like your resistance and support. That's how you need to keep eyes on cloud. When the candle is below is resistance, candle is above is support. Candle is above, cloud is just support. And that's how you need to keep eyes on it. And cloud is nothing but all the volumes building up, all the bids coming in, right? And that's what it's all about. And then plus if you see a horizontal cloud, vertical clouds, or sideway cloud, keep it in those vertical, horizontal, or which direction how the clouds are setting. Based on that you come to know the red and the green. The reds are bearish, the greens are bullish. That's how thing is. Thank you, you're welcome. No problem. Man, I need the MACD reversal in order to be bullish. Need this MACD to reverse. Otherwise, if we go into bear territory, forget about it. Then game over. And that's what they look like they want to go. Man, NFIS still wants to go down. 250. NFIS touched down 250. SPY puts coming in. They're gonna flush all the bulls. NFIS trying to take the floor.
we bounce from the cloud.
I see bearishness. Cloud is not important right here. It's gonna be out. I'm out. 30 cents. Trend line. You see this trend line broken. This should bounce from here. MACD entering into bear territory. They might test price of control line. Let's see. 371.64 or not. What I don't like here is this. Sloping. And MACD here. And we are entering into the cloud here. So if we look at here, now I don't see another 20 minutes here. Either we can spend here or we can break down. MACD is telling me I want to go south. That's the game. But they could be flushing out. Look at this. Whenever you see green red is a flush. Bulls and bear both fighting. Price of control line is there. We might test that. MACD entering into bear, but the lagging span line is right here. We are not bearish yet completely. Only MACD is strong. Man, this is no line zone, man. Forget about it. Can go bullish, can go bearish. Only MACD is not the way to go. They want to flush out and then they will go north. That's the game plan they have. $0.25. I'm in back in call 25 cents, 3,800. Same quantity. I think they are just trying to tease in. Because if you look at the lagging span line is still way up there, only the little flush. Resistance is there, we need to break that in order to be bullish. Man, this time we're gonna print, man. Let's go. Please, let's go. Break the roof. Break the roof. Look at the 2 candle mode, 25 cents to 30 cents, 5 cents, you get this much room. Because I'm way far out. Apple, Google looking bullish. Here we go. Look at this, and now this. This is shakeout, right? You see Mr. Nova shakeout? This is how they want to go. They want to keep everything in bottom So everybody going north, they can go north, right? That's how I identify their agenda. Man, come on, let's go. Now we're talking, man. Yep. $60% profit. Look at that. Now we talking 40 cents. We're gonna go now. I'm gonna hold on to this one. Baby wants to go now. Baby wants to go. Wow, look at that. Oh boy, yep. Go, let's go. 45 cents if I can get it. 50 cents if I can get it. 100% profit if I can get it. Let's try this. If that works out, man. Because this is the agenda. I knew they're gonna do like this. 45 cents. Give me 50 cents and I'll be out. I put a order 50 cents. Give me 50. Yep, right there. I'm gonna cancel. Cancel. I want a more. 50 cents I can see. 50 cents. 100% profit. 100% profit. Yep. There the price target is. They're not gonna go that far, right? 50 cents, show me. Come on, 55 cents. One the green candle comes and I can do 55 cents. I put order. $0.50 out. The moment you see the red, that's it. I don't want to hold on to anything. So 100% profit. 25 cents to 50 cents. Yeah, cannot hold on to anything, man. Anybody? Brendan, did you?
70% profit on that.
What's that?
70%
Oh, 70% profit. Good job, man. That was a good one.
SPY. I took the 375 call.
Got it. Look at the move, guys. They spent about over here 1 hour and they did this job in 5 minutes. Like 1, 3, 5 minutes right there. You see that? This is how we print, man. I don't want to wait for even these. I told you, man, we're not gonna wait for this. You know, I wait here. Look at that. I had a 40% profit. I couldn't book, and then I had to wait for all this pain.
Hey, Mr. Josh, question for you.
Yes.
I missed it. I was on a work call, but I heard you saying earlier you knew it was going to reverse down there, like by that cloud. What was your indicator for
Oh,
that?
no. It completely, my lagging span line was not crossed way up here. Only thing is this. So 2 times we went down, and I know that sometimes they want to go north and they try to flush out all the bulls, you know, in the same cycle. So they tried 1 flush, they tried 2nd flush. So everybody think, oh, market gonna go down. We are in the middle of the cloud, but lagging span line is still here. So I feel we're gonna look at that, man. Look at that, it's 60 cents now. This is what I was, look at, guys, I said here, I said this is a great setup and I'm loaded. Remember I said that. Look at that. This is what it prints. Look at that, easy, beautiful. Look at that, right? 125 cents is become 150, 140% profit. I like to exit before. You see what I mean to say? Like, I like to exit. I was happy, but look what I said. We're gonna go to whatever market does. We don't want to be greedy, but point is to tell you is what I said. Market is bullish. Market wants to go north, but they want to go alone. They don't want to take you, and that's what I announced here, guys. They want to do this. Look at that. I like this. You know what I mean, right? I like momentum. 100% profit in 15 minutes. Where do you get? This is how the setup I identify and I announce that, hey, this is look like wants to go. And cup and handle, guys. And right, Noah, Mr. Noah, I said cup and handle setup, guys. It wants to go. It's just a time frame. Look at that. Now, look at that, man. Just
Which one on there, Mr. Johnson, is the lagging span line? The purple one to the left, or the
right,
other
the one which is look like Eiffel Tower. Look like Eiffel Tower. Look at that. That 3800, man.
That one, the purple one. Okay.
Yeah, purple one. We had 80 cents, guys. Look at that 80 cents right now. I way out. Wow, way out, man.
These prices doubled since I got them. Well, since I
See,
sold
this
them.
is I was teaching somebody today, and I was telling him same thesis. I was telling him about this, that how to get these. That's the biggest, when buying an aftermarket on the bottom, and then you trade like this, man, the biggest money we can make. And I was teaching him today class in the morning. I had a class, and exactly that's what he said. 220% it would have been exited here, even at this price here. 220% profit if somebody would have hold on to it, but who cares, we exited here. Yeah, what's up, Ben?
Hey, Josh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Thank you. I was down today, but I fully recovered all of my losses, and then on top of it, I made almost 20%.
No, yeah, me too, man. I traded like 5 trade today. 5-6 trade I did, but it's a small trade piles up a loss, right?
Yeah.
That's what happened with me. But I felt it. That's why I you know what? Let me go upstairs and just to leave the room a little bit and come back. And came back, and I said, you know what? Let me compose more, because I this is what I teach, like cool, calm, compose, right?
Yeah.
And then I
That,
said,
that cop and handle was very good signal. Yeah, that is what exactly I saw it too. When you said the cop and handle, I noticed that there was cop and handle. But one thing, Josh, see, these all are lagging indicators, right? And, there is no leading indicators. Only I don't know. That is only me. These all indicators, whatever the indicators that are there on the trading view, and then all the trading platforms, correct? These all are the lagging indicator. Move is already happened, and then we see, okay, the VWAP, it is crossing, the price action is crossing the VWAP, and then we rush, go ahead and then take action, and then move is going to go down, right? The chart pattern, I think the chart pattern was very good. The cup and handle was very good moment.
So what I know, those people are all listening here, guys. In my 25 years, 10 years of trading, and I'll tell you, there is nothing such you can just simply think that this gonna run up like this, right? What you need to do when you spend time, many years understanding the candle. So you notice that I don't have a heat map. I don't use those things. I don't use tape reading. I don't use that. I only rely on candles, and then trend lines, and then clouds,
yes.
and that gives me a view that eventually something gonna happen. And you know that I'm a momentum trader. Every time, yesterday, like every trade I traded 7 trades, great trade, all 30, 40, 50, 100% profit yesterday. But today I was trading, but I noticed that, hey, the trade is like a channel. It doesn't look like good here. So I was trading small and taking little loss, in and out loss. But I do not stay in the trade. My point to tell you is every day we make money. My point to teach you how to not to lose more money.
More money, yeah. Automatically, that way you'll save some money to, make some profit.
Yeah, so today when I was giving the class to my student, he took like maybe 7 class of technical class from me, because he did not have. Now he trades SPX and everything he trades, and I was teaching him the same thing. I say, we need to learn about not to lose money, and this is what it is all about, because you could lose big, but you got to get out of it. You got to take the loss. Doesn't matter 5 cent, 10 cent. Even these trade also, I took a 5 cent loss and exit because trend line broken. But then I realized that is this the real momentum or something? Then I saw the green candle came here. I said nope. This is the setup. And then I realized it. And then I enter back here at 25 cents. Right in this candle, 25 cents I enter, and look at that.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Look at that, man.
For me, main thing the user I watch is the price action, and then the volume and price action, and then tapes I do watch sometimes.
Yeah.
because it gives me, the flow of.
I enter into 80 cents, guys. Again, 3,800 calls, 80 cents I paid.
Yeah,
I want to get it in a little
it's
bit.
going to go XOT.
Gosh, those contracts that I sold out are up almost 200%.
200%. Yeah, me too,
right
man.
now.
Imagine right now, I want to exit right now. I want to exit 95%, 95 cents. Yep,
Yeah.
give me $1 probably. Okay, right there. Yeah, $1. I'm out, guys. $1. Can you give me? Yep. 20 cents. Can you believe it? 20. Oh boy, boy. What can I tell you, man? Just within like a 3 minutes, 25% profit. Within 3 minutes. Within not
Okay,
even 1 or 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 25% profit.
Yeah, it's just I think it's struggling on the high of the day, I guess, right? What is
No, I think I figured this today morning. I was talking to the student. I was telling him exactly what market is. I mean, then I announced here too. I say, you know what? They're gonna go a little flush here because they have to create this liquidity. They gonna create a liquidity for bulls and bear, and they continue like this. Man, look at that setup.
Look at that, damn, that move. Was
Now they're gonna fill the gap up there. Okay, there's a gap to be filled here. Look at that. Look, let me show you.
It will be risky. At
Yeah, there's a gap. So what happened? Everybody gonna load the calls and fill up the gap, and they're not gonna go now. They're gonna watch because 12 o'clock. They're gonna spend time out here going pulling back. You follow? They're gonna pull back here, compression, and people will be holding hopes. They might go a little bit and might pull back, just like here what they did. Remember, they're gonna. What did I say, guys? Oh, here is the rewind the tape, guys. You know everybody was here. What I said. When we were going down, remember when market was going down, and what I said, there is a support here, guys. They're gonna fake out all the bears.
Yes.
And I'm gonna roll the tape and I'll make a video tonight, and I will show you. Look at here. When I said we're gonna go down, they're gonna see everybody think we're gonna go and flush these, fill the gap, and all the bear will be sitting at the bottom, and they will go north. Exactly what I said. That's what they did here. Look at that setup now. When north, they did not fill the gap. They did not. That's the reason I tell you guys, put the head off of the retailers and wear the head of market maker, and then think what they are doing.
Yeah, true.
That's what exactly they did here. All the retailer thinking we're gonna go and fill the gap, and guess what? They did not, and they took a U-turn. And that's what I was keep catching the call, because I was saying, guys, I want to go call, but they take a time to go call because they want to know everybody loads up there. But at the end, look at that. Look at that move, man. Man, amazing, man. This is amazing. Look, anybody can predict the technicals once you have a technical setup. Look, anybody can probably predict this, but to predict what I just described, that the part is important, because this anybody can predict. Oh, we're gonna have a shoot up. Probably, maybe it can work out. But to predict what I said, that's amazing. That's what I like. That's why I like to feel about it, man. This is that part is not written anywhere. Okay, that is hard to find out. These that they're not gonna fill the gap, and they're gonna do this. That is little you need a crystal ball for that.
Yeah. They could have spent time below 373 all day, at least 1 or 2 o'clock, but they did not wait to cross 373.18 wherever the big move happened, right?
Right.
That was a good part. Because if you see yesterday and then previous history, then they could have bring down all the price to the down and then stay there for the certain time, like you said, 2-3 hours, and then finally take a move. Now, but in this case, it did not even took maybe 1 hour.
Right.
Yeah.
Man, whomsoever played, guys, congratulations. I did announce way advance about the cup and handle. I gave a little heads up.
Yeah.
And I see a lot of comment, guys, on YouTube. Mukesh, what's up, Mukesh? How are you? Mukesh, you got any question? You might need to unmute. Okay, he got a iPhone. Sorry, iPhone. You got any question? You got to unmute if you were speaking. What are they? Okay, let me read these. Any YouTuber, FSL are okay. I keep missing those moves. How I have fake, how I have FOMO. No, don't guys stop typing those languages. I wanted to make up for my loss. Okay, that 10 minutes you were away. Look, no. Look, never, Raven, never feel like that. You are away for 10 minutes. You miss this. No, don't not feel like that. Okay, never. A market has. I used to feel like that, and then you do mistakes. Why? Because there's always one time setup, two time setup. Every time you cannot just simply just event got over and you think no, you need to wait for another setup. Market gives opportunity. Just never burn your money. That's important. Cool, calm, and compose. Remember, that's what I teach you here. Cool, calm, and compose. The moment you jump in, we lose money. That's not what I teach. We have to wait. Everything wait. There's always market. Man, I have seen market create 10 opportunity in a day. Good. I have seen the swing back, calls, put. Like I love that market sometimes swing 5 times a day. Imagine if you have momentum like this 5 times. You do the math. If you do like this 5 times, right? 1 time here, this is 2 times. If it is 5 times, go up and down. Man, I love that swing. I love it. I love to find the momentum and then ride. And then if it momentum doesn't catch, I exit. I take a loss. 10%, 20% doesn't matter. I take a loss at that time. But then you set up like this when it really catches up. You go with the big and you make a big chunk out of it. That's what I like. That's why you notice several times I go on and then several times I exit. But if the momentum catches up, imagine what happens. You print crazy money, right? 100%, 50%, 60%. If momentum doesn't catch, you take your loss 10%, 15%, 18% loss, 20%. Normally I take a loss. Now, you saw what I mean, right? 10%, 12%, 15% loss. Continue. That's fine. That's the business you choose. That's the business I choose to do. That, hey, I'm not going to hold hopes. That's what when I give you classes and I'm teach you, my style of teaching is different. The trading, my style is totally different. I do not have any book knowledge, guys. I don't read books. I experience myself everything. Yeah, I use a lot of internet, Google. Yes, I definitely use Google big time because I'm in 21st century. I'm a high-tech guy. I'm a software engineer. I'm not going to use book. I don't read books. I use Google. But I spend a lot of time learning this. Good day with the QQQ, Raju. Yep, good. Absolutely everything QQQ was working great. Good job. Good to hear. Just type your percentage profit if you want to type it in. Just write the percentage instead of this. MS cup and handle right now. Okay, cup and handle right now. Yeah, another cup and handle. You good. You good eyes right there. But I think it's 12 o'clock. Look at the time. So I think the varieties of things, guys. Cup and handle immediately. You cannot have double cup and handle immediately. That's dangerous move for the market maker to keep going up and up. So I would relax. Yeah. And then Josh, tops, please. TOPES, tops. Okay. TOPS, tops is, yeah, look at that. What actually tops did. Broke through the resistance and look at that. Breakthrough rates 857 and trend line was, look at that. Oh, right here we pull back a little bit and then we never broke this. Look at that, 696 we never broke. And look at that tops. Man, you guys are printing tops, huh? Look at that, Dan. Man, Dan, I tell you that you good one, man. I'm proud of you, man. You print crazy money here. Good job. And now I got to, please keep posting. Guys, Dan fan, man, that's the guy who always posts good stuff. I like it. Good stuff, man. I appreciate actually sharing with the community. Dan, I really appreciate. When you always post something. I like it. I don't like people who pump and dump. That's the bad part because people lose and one person makes and everybody lose. That's not good, right? That's bad. We need reality here, real things, organic. That's what I like. Total portfolio 5% up today, Josh. Oh wow, good job, Raju. Yeah, 5% portfolio up, man. That's big. That's good. Really good, Raju. Really, I feel that good, man. When I see somebody portfolio going up and they talk about it, man, I feel it good. Flatten now. Lots that on Twitter. Lots that on Twitter. I don't know what you do. That's huge. Lotto on that Twitter. Okay, we'll see. Okay, I wanted to load the put, but it's okay. I said no. I don't want to go. It's just temporary. Gonna pull back slowly. Sloping resistance building up. MACD entering into bear territory. Man. Yeah, Mr. iPhone or Sandeep, whomsoever want to go for it.
Yo, what's up, Josh?
Hey, what's up, buddy? What's up, Nick?
Yo, man, dude, nice call with Tesla. I held that for like 100% profit this morning.
Really?
That was insane. I got it like right at the open and sold it right when I wanted that profit. So, no, thanks, man.
No worries, anytime, man, anytime. Tesla was a great one right here. When we broke the support, I announced that, hey guys, right here, Tesla was 242. I said, man, Tesla looking like baby wants to go. And look at that. I entered. I take a 10-cent loss, and I said, you know what, Tesla is the premium, and I moved on because I wanted to get into SPX. If I would have held on to here, it would have been all right. But then I was focusing, and it's just like I can't focus too many trades at the same time. So I went to my territory, which was SPX. But yeah, Tesla was good. That I remember I was trying to trade at 230 for $2.30. Let me take a look at right now what it is. That was a good Tesla too. Let me see what actually happened. 230. It is now back to 286. But it went down to $4 350 when it was here. Not 350. It went down to 386 or $4. Yeah. Yeah, that was a good one, Tesla, right? You exit.
Yeah, no, I exited that. Secure those profits, right?
Yeah. Profitability booking is important because then theta will decay will kill you, and man, market they know what to do with it. They have a volume button, and we lose money.
Absolutely. Hey, I had a question for you if you got a time. Where do you see like the precious metal going right now, like gold?
I feel little bit bullish, little temporary bullish, but they cannot take it too high. Remember, market maker, they have a agenda, and that agenda is about the bond market. Bond market is big vulnerable, and that's why a temporary bullish, is still because they can't take it everything down. They have to short, and then now do short, cover, right? That's how things are. So I feel little bullish on energies areas and all the utility materials, slightly bullish for few cycles, I would say, until here, and then they will dump it. So maybe a couple of months, 3 months like that, you can be a little bullish. Energy I'm more bullish because now they bottom out, particularly some like look at the boil. I like boil, which I mentioned. I do not have any position in the boil, just to give you idea, but I like those when something goes down too much. I like that. I like CLF Cleveland Cliff metal right here maybe, but this is long cycle. Cliff is like 6 month cycles. They might go and they can print 25-35%.
Cool. Thanks, man.
You're welcome. Thank you. Sandeep, what's up?
Yeah, thank you. So I'm done for the day, man. Thank you so much.
Done for the day.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to overtrade.
Got it. Good.
Thank you. Hope to see you. Yeah, hear you tomorrow. Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Guys, if you like this service, always like to share with your friends, family, communities. I would appreciate, just like how I'm sharing with you and how you found me. Same thing. You just try to share with others. Sharing is caring because it doesn't cost you anything, right? And nobody is doing in this world, guys. Okay, nobody is doing in this world who's doing this what I'm doing 7 hours a day, like this video, live trading. Because even nobody wants to teach. Also, even you, if you want to pay and you want a good live traders and who teaches you and who knows all this experience, they are not teacher. You can find a teacher, but he will not have the content what I'm providing it to you. Get my point? There's a difference between traders. There are many traders, but the knowledge, experience, and the content, they are always in their own territory. They don't want to come out. They are tantrum traders. They never come out to teach people. They know how to break monitors. They know how to do a lot of things. You can't even take them. You cannot take the classes. That's how they are. But guys, if you really want to take the classes, then I always give you the classes too, and take the classes. And that's what I want. If you want to be just like what I'm teaching, what I'm doing it, what my student telling me, that's what. If you want to do, take the classes, and I give you one-on-one. I take two, three students in a class, and take this right here, and this is what you will learn. All technicals, 2 technical class. One is how to hold the stock, how to buy a stock for a long term, and you can be 100% profitable, 100% chance of profitability, not a 90%, guys. This is what student telling me when I teach them how to hold the options, and you can be 100% mean to say chances of 100% profitability, mean to say you can make 20%, 30%, 10%, 30% profit, but profitability will be there based on what I teach on swing technical analysis when I do that, when I teach you that. And then there is another class is called intraday, which is what I trade right now here, intraday. And then the option is art, and that's what I'll teach you. Same thing financials, same thing macro, because macro I apply everything. That's how I trade, and that's why you hard to find a trader who knows everything, who should have experience, who should have a lot of things knowledge, right? And that's what I give you guys right here. So if you want it, just let me know. We have the class today too. So today we will have the option class, okay, and technical class both. So if anybody want it, let me know. I'll let you right here. If you want it class, just send me right here message. If you want, this is like instead of say if you want to participate, I'd like to keep it free, like all the services, everything I want to keep it free so you all enjoy. But if you really wanted to be a master and you want to, instead of donating to me, put towards your education and do this, take a class. And right here my number is right here, 732-325-2000. This is the number. You can text me if you want to learn how I do that, and you learn all this, because blowing money into the market is better to put towards your education. That's what I tell you. That's why I say take class, man. People are telling me yesterday when I was giving macro class to my 4 student yesterday was right, and I telling them, you know what, one of the ladies said you should have, she has a 2 kids. She said one is 25, 22, and Josh, I wish you could have a classes for the kids when they're graduating, because the knowledge I'm providing, she said, where you should have the classes. I never even thought so. Students are telling me that you should create a class for the students, those who are graduating from colleges, stuff like that. And I think it's a good idea too. And then I asked my kids what kind of knowledge. They said they need a basic knowledge, like how not to spend money on credit cards and stuff like that. I said, man, yeah, on insurance and stuff. But I don't know, I'll work on that. But I want to teach everybody, man. Imagine, when we die, money never comes with us, so it's good. This is the good karma what I'm doing. Nobody teaches. That's what I want to do, because this is the hard part. I had a people who come in to me and say, hey, let's do private, Josh, you, me, and let's do private trading and forget about doing free job for people. I said, let me continue, man. Money is not important for me. Important, but not that much what you're asking me. Just to give you real, I'm just telling you real, guys, okay? I had a $1 billion opportunity. People say, hey, go and do the trading for them. I said, no, I don't do that. Yeah. So I hope you understand what I'm talking, man. So lots of opportunity I give up just to keep it like this, continue. Let's see how long it will last, but I'll continue. Yeah. Please like the video. Absolutely, man. Thank you. Market has a weakness now. Yep, weakness coming in. But the momentum will be not there, so I don't trade now. Let's find the momentum. Yep, they're gonna spend time here, maybe here, and then go up, but we don't want to burn the money, right? Let the handle create. Let the handle create. Yeah, we need to preserve what we made. We got 54 likes and we got 97 people. Everybody made money and they left, right? Market is doing now sideways now. Yeah, you need to wait for a momentum. Momentum doesn't happen every 30 minutes, man. You got to give market a time. You need to relax, not to trade too much. Let me get up and let me pause myself too. Let me see yesterday video what I made. So those who are, let's play yesterday video. Advertisement, 1 second, okay. Welcome to TopTradingEdge. Today 4th October, a market update. As you can see, what exactly did market today? The gap up and go. If you take a look at right here, so market did left the gap. You see the wick below the body, but that's the gap right here. So market left 366. We were here right at the price of control line, and we gap up and go 450 point. Market was up, and then we continuously went up and what we did is we tried to touch down around 378 right here. So what exactly market is right now doing? If you can take a look at, we have the resistance up here. So we bound from the support here. We spend some time around here, this to create a demand. Market was exhausted right here, oversold. As we discussed it right here, the MACD oscillator was telling around negative 12 points, 11.9 right there, you see, and then we bounced. And that's what market is doing, so creating a little liquidity in the market, as you can see. So market basically looks to me a bullish. We are trying right now the trend line right here, but that could trend line can happen by this week some point of time, I feel like that. Okay, so it's a lot of short covering going on because a lot of these right here, short are right here. Now the short cover right here. All right, so if we take a look at here, the MACD is trying to, if you can see right here, MACD trying to cross the signal line, and once the signal line crossed, then it could be a bullish, and see how far it can last. Could be a dead cat bounce, or it could be a bullish. We're gonna update as how it goes around, but at this point we have the trend line is intact, and we have to watch how things it goes. Right now, still the MACD in a bad territory, trying to cross the signal line to be a bullish. Okay. So that's one step at a time so far, and let's see if the market finds the buyer, because that's what they're creating the liquidity right now in the market, to find the buyers and see if it is really pulls out a lot of buyer in the market. Until then, it look like right now is bullish. If you look at 30-minute charts, let me show you something. 30 minutes, the price of control line was here, and now we could go 386 area right here. That's what I can see. Definitely market could go, but I'm not talking about tomorrow, but altogether 389 we could go. These are our next resistance area. Though if you look at all the price of control line, where we had a bunch of tug of war, 4 days tug of war happen around 387. So I see market could try tomorrow. Let's see if that happens. If that rejection or not, we're gonna keep eyes on it. We'll see. Not to get excited too much immediately. So far looking bullish to me on a daily chart, but if you look at the 4-hour 4-hour charts, it also MACD just entered into the bull territory. So it is bullish. It depends on now how many buyers we find in the tomorrow. So again, same thing, same setup right here, just like here we have set up here time. What's up, Gurdeep? What's up, man? Tell me.
Yeah, so Josh, again, yesterday we spoke, right? Little shakeout and then again revert, right? So they now, I think, taken out the money from the last 2 days from the bulls, right? By little drop, right? And again, they are now okay, right? So I see him, they wanted to rake both sides. So the way we were thinking yesterday, it worked perfectly. So right now I'm on the call side. Josh, and let's see how it goes, man.
Did you play cup and handle or no?
No. I just joined your call. I entered SPSL, which is like a long for SPSL.
Got it. Shares.
And that's like a decent gain. I entered at the price of control line close to 372, Josh.
Got it.
And after that, it's the moment it crossed the 372, right? So I thought now it can play ping pong and can go high. So the moment 372, right? So it played for some time, like half an hour, and then it went up straight away. So yeah. So seems to be bullish at this moment, and I see maybe this moment can continue now. I think they had taken out the money from the bulls, right? Bulls are again not having anything, and now they are the only one who's making money, right? If you see this run up, right? Because everybody's so afraid, right? The moment the market went down by 1.5%, so everybody gets scared, right? Again, it will go to like 0, right? So again, they bring it up, right? So everybody again, they are the only one who's getting the money. Everybody else is just watching because they are so scared.
Yeah. That's true. Absolutely.
Yeah. So now you will see again people will do FOMO and then they will again bring it down sometime on Friday. So I don't see anything at this moment. It will be bullish and it can continue and bullish momentum until some more time because they wanted to have some liquidity, right? As you explained yesterday. So they are the only one who's making money, man, from this lower levels, right? Nobody enter at this level. Everybody's so scared.
Right.
Yeah.
Right now,
But
market is.
I entered 372. I didn't get chance to take it because I was waiting, right? 370, 371 is a little tricky, right? We don't know which way it will go. It was under the price of control. And the moment it crossed, right, I went alongside and still holding. I have SPXL share. I don't have the calls. I have SPXL share. And they are already up like decent gain.
Yeah, that's good. That's really good. Nice.
Yeah. And so far, I see this will continue. See, now it's the high of the day, right? So I see it will going to go, and because they are the only one who is riding this wave, man. Nobody else is having the courage.
Yes.
Everybody just see this candle.
Yeah, that's the trying to fill the gap, but I think it's gonna be rejection coming in. I don't. The MACD pointing super bullish, but I think they are setting up the trap, and this is bull and the candle.
Josh, if you look at your daily, right, the moment you see the trend line, right, the way the yellow line you put on your daily, right, so that will be the one which will be eventually a big sell-off after that. But so far, until that point, right, for intraday, they will play ping pong, right, with this gap.
Yeah, right now they have a lot more room to go north.
Correct. That's what I'm saying. They have a lot more, and this gap is just like a cheese, right? So they will ping pong here for some time.
Correct. I think it's 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, right? So they're gonna go and pull back here, and they're gonna flush all these bulls, and then they go and fill the gap in the 4 o'clock.
Yeah, of course, it's looking so bullish, right? If you look at all the technicals, it looks so bullish, and it'll fill the gap. It'll go upside tomorrow, right? That's how it is looking at this moment. So no weakness, nothing. So I think it's all good. If there is anything, it'll be by the dip, for now at least.
Got it. Yep. Man, loving it.
Yeah, actually today my Indian team is having holiday due to Dussehra, so I'm completely free today for trading.
Oh, did you watch that? We were playing the cup and handle.
No, Josh.
No, man. Everybody was like, some people I made like 100%, 200% people.
Good.
So that was a good setup.
Sometimes that opportunity come, but you need to be little.
Josh, what's resistance for SPY right now?
No more, man. Gap. This is all gap now. Market wants to go, but I cannot go because I feel like they might need to just make everybody these, and then excuse me. I like call side, but I like look like they want to go, man.
See, and the momentum is so bullish, man. So bullish.
Look like they want to go.
So now the handle will complete, man.
Yeah, 3,800, $1 third, man. If I would have been holding that $20 would be right this. 120. Okay. Wow. Okay, I mean $1.30 I paid on 3,800. Let's see if it is get rejection, I will exit.
But this gap is huge, man. It's a 1.5 point gap, so it will take some time.
If they want to
really, right now at 1 minute, right? I have seen the previously the rejection came at RSI close to 78.89. So right now the RSI is 75. So it can go a little bit one more candle, couple of candles. That's it.
And the MACD, I like the MACD setup. Let's see if we really.
Correct. A couple of more candles. Not. So they'll leave some gap. They're not going to fill completely.
I think I'm doing over trading, man. Just.
No, you can keep it for this one. This one will go up in couple.
No, but my lunchtime starts too. Okay, that's true. I mean, it's just I'm playing fun right now. I'm not going because this is not excellent setup for me to go and jump crazy. This is just a playing small.
Because everybody thinking it's going to reject, man. Think like that. Everybody thinking it's going to reject, right? Not you. Everybody, right? So there's a reason they don't want to reject here. They'll go ping pong and then go up. Maybe a couple more.
I'm out. I took a 15 cents out. No, I feel like it's okay. Why would I do even? Why am I going worried about here? Who cares about even when burning my blood on this one just to make a few cents? Forget about it.
Yeah, but the right setup was before you already made 100% right. That's a perfect setup.
Yeah.
So now
no, that I announced. This is not the setup, and I say, why would I even go in that? even though it look like they're gonna create all these bull the cup and handle setup and think like they're gonna go, and then they pull back because it's only 1 o'clock.
Correct.
They can do like their little pullback. Then what? Watch out all the premium.
Correct. But this gap will be going to fill eventually today somehow.
Oh yes, they are heading, but that's what they know, that we are thinking like that, and they probably take a U-turn because it's only 1 o'clock. If it is at 3 o'clock, I can think they want to go right now, but going at 1 o'clock to fill the gap immediately now, I doubt, man. And then what they're gonna do another 2 hours? And they just had a run up like this. Just now we had a run up. This was a crazy momentum everybody had.
Think of, man, how much money they made in this puts, man. Everybody shorting, right? Now they reverted. Everybody they raked, man. So much of premiums, right?
Man, I love this, man, setup, man. When the setup with this momentum, I'll tell you, Gurdeep, the momentum I catch, those catches momentum, man, I enjoy those. I tell you, I wish I could teach everybody the same thing, man. Just to be learn not to trade and just wait for to trade is a, man. I tell you that, and I'm telling everybody, look at that, is a beautiful setup coming in.
Yeah. So I used to do a lot of mistakes. So everybody. So I had classes with Josh. I took like 4 classes. I remember, right? So it's a good learning experience for everybody. I also do the training for the last 3-4 years, but I had classes. So I had a good learning experience from Josh. So whosoever listening, right? So I paid like $750 for 3 classes, 3-4 classes. I remember, right? So it's a good learning experience. So try to do, if you can take some classes from Josh, he's keep on teaching everybody technicals and fundamentals. Fundamental are basically for the long term if you need to build some portfolio. And then option trading and the macro fundamentals, right? So I had done like 4 classes with Josh. So those are the excellent classes. Even like especially for option, we need to understand technical first and then the option trading. So those are the mandatory classes if somebody wants to participate in option trading. So you will money back soon, even if you're losing. So that's something which I did, and so far I'm very good. I now mostly on the 100% cash, but if I had to play, I play intraday or for a couple of days for the trades if I see a good setup. So yeah. So it's helping me a lot in setting my mind for at least what I need to do.
Yeah, this is like a GPS. What I teach you guys is give you a GPS, and when you're driving to one place to another place, imagine how beautiful ride you could have. And that's what I'm trying to teach everybody. So once we all learn everything, it's good to have in sync. So we all benefit out of it. Yep. And I appreciate it, man. Gurdeep is one of the first student who asked me, Josh, do you teach? In February, in March month, and I said, man, I don't have any curriculum I teach, and I said I always go live on Spaces, and I said no, I don't, and then we become close friend due to the Spaces. I live in New Jersey. He live in, what do you live in, Atlanta?
I live in Connecticut.
Connecticut. Okay. So he said, and we just talk over the Spaces. That's it, and then we become close friend. Very talk over the phone nowadays. We exchange the number and talk. And now then I told him, man, you should take the classes. And he took the classes. He said, Josh, before you say, I ask you the classes. I said, really? He said, yeah, I have a proof. I said, seriously? And then he sent me the proof. Say, Josh, remember in the March month, he asked me do you do classes? I said, wow, man.
yeah. I sent you the proof on the Twitter, man. I interacted with you, but you said, no, I don't teach. Come to the Spaces and learn from there, right? So
yeah.
But soon, like the moment keep on coming to Spaces, and it helped me a lot. Now I can take my decision, right? I know what to do, how when to enter, right? All those things. Earlier, any option trader, right? Anyone who is retailer, especially, right? So he's struggling and he was losing mostly, right? Initially 3-4 months, right? So now I am profitable. I recovered all my losses. I had a good sleep every day because I have 100% cash. So all those things, right? It's helping me in building up my portfolio and having good risk and rewards.
Guys, tell you, Gurdeep, He is a guy. He's a gold medalist from Delhi, top-notch college, and he is a director in one of the big company. I cannot mention the company name, but he's in a big company, and his position is very high. He's a director, and he's a gold medalist. You can imagine how much knowledge he has. He's a very highly qualified person, and but he's craving for education. I noticed that every time he's on the space, he's always talking, he's learning. That's where we get, this is where we get the knowledge, and knowledge is the one we share. It increases, right? When we share the knowledge, it increases. The more you gather the knowledge, we more secure, right? But if you think that I'm gonna go and swim in a swimming pools and then jump in an ocean, it's the same swimming. No, it's different, guys. And that's what I'm teaching here, because this market is not that easy. You got to spend some time, or put your time towards educations. What can I tell you, man? I have so many big guys who took classes from me. They are big guns, okay? Big guns, right? I'm telling you, big guns, really. And when I teach them, and their response is like, man, they think, man, this is nothing written in the books. I have a doctor taking, they are highly qualified doctors, and they're taking classes, and when they take one-on-one, and it's eye-opening. Even you can find many things on books.
Yeah, Josh. When I took the class, I think the other candidate was doctor only, right? So I remember his name, right? So he was the one who took training along with me for a couple of classes.
Oh yeah. That's one. Yeah, one of that is he's one of the doctor. Yep.
Yes, he was one of the doctor.
Yeah, that's the guy who read 45 books, he said, on stock market. And
correct.
Yeah. So hopefully, I like to, slowly we all community. Okay. SPY filling gap. Yep, SPY filling up the gap. Okay, we'll see. No, still, man, he's just pulling back a little bit.
Yeah, so actually what Josh is teaching, right? So you need to take your own trade. So you need to learn, and then you need to set up your own technical analysis, and need to take your own trade, even if Josh is there or not. So that's how he is training everybody. So which is very rare. You will not find these kind of people. So especially in the trading area, right? People will give you calls and put, right, in Discord or in Telegram.
Like how to fish, they will give you say, buy this fish, that fish. That's called picks.
Nobody will teach, and this trading, right, it's very complicated thing. It's the success rate is hardly 10-15%, and the losing rate is 85%. So there's a reason it's a very difficult field to defeat. So so there's the reason you need to do little research, because it's not that easy to win, right? People say $200 you can make a day, and then for a year you can make 100K, right? It's not that easy. First you need to lose, but if you don't want to lose, take training so that you don't lose, and then you start earn. So it's learn and earn. So first you need to learn, and then you can earn. So he's letting us with that help, right? And I had a great experience. I think I'm joining the spaces from almost 5 months now, and it's a great learning. Whenever I get time, I come to spaces and try to ask more and more questions, whatever I learn every day. And he helps me that he never say no to anything. So he try to correct me if you're not wrong. So that's a good part. So you should have that kind of person who can teach you and can motivate you for the next day. So far, it's a good learning experience. So try with one class and see how it goes.
Man, I wish everybody should take it. Josh, when are you write a book? No, man, I never thought of that, but I like to teach people, make it lively, everybody, make it lively and go slowly, and learn, man. That's all. Oh, my classes, somebody please make me a speaker. Okay, yeah, that's you. When are my classes? My classes is always after hours, market close, and I also do in the morning. But morning class, somebody already booked. Somebody booked morning classes, so only available right now evening. So evenings I can do, I told you guys, I have one student, he paid $1,500, $3,000 and $5,000 just now. So he's booked for more. He wants to invest millions of dollars probably, and he wants to learn everything before he jump in the bandwagon. And he booked all the people who want to take a classes evening time after market close. You can take the classes 4:30 or 5 o'clock. Normally I start in the evening. That's the one class, and then also I start second class around 6:30 Eastern time, and those are the time. And then weekend time I do it in the morning, like 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock I do in Eastern time. I can do until maybe sometime I take classes at 1 o'clock also, but I work on the weekend with you guys. So because I have a lot of students who's from California and the time zone is 3 hours difference, so it's kind of a little difficult for them sometimes weekdays because of the office hours. So that's why I work with you basically. That's how things are. Always communicate with you, your availabilities. I have most of the students are from California. Many students are from California. So yeah, if you wanted to, this is then like these.